In this video, I will show you how to set up Dropbox Paper documents. First, launch open the Dropbox app. Now sign into your account. Next, tap on the upload option. From these options, select create file. Here, you'll see options such as create Microsoft Word, Excel or PowerPoint. Now go ahead and select whichever you prefer. If you want to create a document, select Microsoft Word. Now enter the file name. Then tap on OK. Now wait for some time. Now you want to enter your content over here and save the document to your Dropbox account so it can be accessed across your devices. If you're specifically looking for Dropbox Paper, keep in mind that paper documents may not be available to create directly in the mobile app, depending on your app version. If you don't see the Dropbox Paper option, sign into Dropbox on a web browser or desktop where you can create a new paper document and then access it later in the Dropbox app. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.